today's video, I am going to show you how to swing button right and swing button left back in CapCut PC using animation. So go to Media and select your elements that you like to edit. For example, I'm going to add task images and go to animation and select in animation. So for the first and third and the last, I'm going to select the swing button right and swing button right. Okay, swing button right and adjust for the version in 2 seconds, because previously I set the image duration in 2 seconds. So for the third clip, select the same swing button right, duration, the last swing button right, duration, full duration, and for the second and fourth, I'm going to select the swing button right, full duration, or swing button left, full duration. And you can see for the final result like this. So this is a swing button left and right effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.